the guidance of our audience, this episode is for grade 7 science learners. At the end of this episode, you are expected to express concentrations of solutions quantitatively by using percent by volume formula.
Hello there, grade 7 students. How are you today? I hope you are all doing great. Learning must continue amid this pandemic. I want you to know that we all in this together. We will soon overcome this. Okay? Good. I am Ma'am Chilu, your grade 7 science teacher for today from Villanueva National High School, District of Villanueva, Division of Misamis Oriental, Region 10. Welcome to another episode full of learning and discoveries. It's time to get your pen, paper, and self-learning module. Let's get ready. Just a quick review from our previous lesson. You've observed that there is a maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent. This is called solubility. There are types of solutions based on their solubility: saturated and unsaturated. What is saturated solution? When you add 1 teaspoon of sugar in 100 ml of water, the sugar completely dissolves. This solution is unsaturated because it contains less solute. When you add more and more tablespoons of sugar in 100 ml of water, the sugar can no longer dissolve. This is the evidence that the solution is already saturated. Today, we're going to continue learning about solutions, the concentration of solution. But we don't need to go anywhere. We can start looking at the kitchen. Come, let's go. And finally, feel thirsty. What do we have here? Aha! What about making an orange juice? First, I add 1/2 tablespoon of powdered orange juice in a full glass of water. It doesn't taste anything. It tastes like water. This time, let me add 2 tablespoons of powdered juice in another identical glass with the same amount of water. It tastes just right. It's perfect for me. Let's see what happens if I add 4 tablespoons of same powdered juice in the same glass of water. It tastes so sweet. I prefer in moderation. I choose the second glass. To know more about the concentration of solutions, please watch this video while I'm still enjoying this orange juice. Cheers! We have 3 different solutions. This is because of the different amount of powdered juice in the same quantity of water. The first glass having a 1/2 tablespoon of powdered orange juice with the same amount of water turned into light color. In the second glass, with the 2 tablespoons of powdered orange juice with the same amount of water in an identical glass is darker compared to the first glass. The third glass with 4 tablespoons of the same powdered juice in an identical glass with the same amount of water is darker than the second glass. Which among the solutions is said to be dilute? Yes, correct! The first glass with a lighter color is a dilute solution because there is a small amount of dissolved solute for a certain amount of water. Which again among the solutions is said to be concentrated? Okay, yes, it is the third glass. Concentrated solution is the darkest in color because there is a large amount of dissolved solute for a certain amount of solvent. The concentration of solutions
is a quantity of solute that dissolve in a certain quantity of solvent. It can be described as qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative using the terms dilute or concentrated in describing the solutions. This refers to the intensity of color of the solution. In our native language, this refers to lasciao for dilute and espeso for concentrated, while quantitative is the amount of number of solute added to the glass of water.
Now that you have learned about concentration of solutions, qualitatively and quantitatively, you can express concentration of solutions in other ways, such as percent by volume. During this pandemic, what solution do you think every household must have? Is it kerosene? Is it salt solution? Or an alcohol?
Basta alcohol, doon tayo sa maalaga at matinag. Ethyl alcohol. Patay ang 99% of germs. Germs deadly, but skin friendly. Mula ito sa katas ng sugar cane, kaya safe sa skin kahit pa ulit-ulit gawin. Ang pipiliin mo, natural. Ethyl alcohol.
Yes, it is alcohol. Alcohol is a solution that every household must have during this time because it is used as disinfectant, meaning it kills virus upon contact. What have you noticed about this concentration of this alcohol? Labels of products often show the concentration of solute expressed as percent by volume. The alcohol that is used as disinfectant in a solution of 70% ethyl or isopropyl alcohol, meaning 70 ml alcohol per 100 ml solution. Percent by volume are the solutions that involve a liquid solute and solvent. It expresses the concentration of a liquid solution as percentage of volume of solute to the volume of solution, gram per 100 ml. Most rubbing alcohol products sold in this pandemic have a concentration of 70%, which could be isopropyl or ethyl alcohol. This means that 70% is alcohol and the other 30% is water, by volume of solute and solvent. Percent by volume could be computed by using this formula. Percent by volume is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution times 100%. Take note that the volume of solute, solvent, and solutions must be expressed in the same units. Okay, let's practice sample problems using percent by volume. Sample number 1. Most alcoholic beverages contain ethanol. A 70 ml bottle of wine contains 93.75 ml of ethanol. What is the percent by volume concentration of ethanol in the bottle? In solving this problem, first is identify the given quantities. So the given are volume of solute is 93.75 ml, while the volume of solution is 750 ml. The second is to know what is being asked. The problem asks on the percent by volume concentration of ethanol in the bottle. Next is write the formula. Percent by volume is equals to volume of solute divided by volume of solution times 100%. Then substitute the values. Percent volume equals the volume of solutes, which is 93.75 ml, divided by the volume of solution, which is 750 ml, and multiply to 100%. And cancel the same units. Then, 93.75 divided by 750 equals 0.125, and multiply it to 100%. The answer is 12.50%. Therefore, the percent by volume concentration of ethanol in 750 ml bottle of wine
with 93.75 ml of ethanol is 12.50%. Sample number 2. How many milliliters of ethyl alcohol are present in a 50 ml bottle of 70% alcohol solution? First, write what are given in the problem. The percent volume is 70%, while the volume of solution is 50 ml. The problem asks on the volume of a solute. For the solution, since the given is 70% alcohol solution, it means that 100 ml of alcohol solution contains 70 ml ethyl alcohol. Now, write the formula. Volume of solute is equals to percent by volume divided by 100% times the volume of solution. Next, substitute the values. So the volume of solute is equal to 70% divided by 100% multiplied to the volume of solution, which is 50 ml. Then cancel same units. So 70 divided by 100 equals 0.70. Multiply this to 50 ml, so the answer is 35.00 ml. Therefore, in 50 ml of alcohol solution, there is 35.00 ml ethyl alcohol. Now that we're done with our discussion, it's your turn to solve this problem. Write your answer in your science notebook. Here is the problem. Rubbing alcohol is an aqueous solution containing 70% isopropyl alcohol by volume. How would you prepare 250 ml rubbing alcohol from pure isopropyl alcohol? Following the steps in solving problems, first, write what are given and substitute the given values. We know that 70% of the volume is isopropyl alcohol. So, 70 ml isopropyl alcohol divided by 100 ml solution times 250 ml solution is equal to 175 ml isopropyl alcohol. To prepare the solution, enough water is added to 175 ml isopropyl alcohol to form 250 ml solution.
Wow! Good job!
To summarize our lesson, concentration is a quantity of solute that dissolve in a certain quantity of solvent. It can be described as qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative using the terms such as dilute and concentrated. Quantitative using numbers. Concentration of solution involves liquid solute and solvent can be expressed as percent by volume using this formula. Percent by volume is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution times 100%. Yay! Congratulations! Finally, we are done with our lesson in Science 7, Quarter 1. Bye everyone! Stay safe! See you next time! Remember,